we know that dy by dx of a slope, dy by dx represents slope of the tangent at a point y is equal to f of x. Using this concept, it is easy to find equations of tangent and normals. Now we shall see equation of a tangent. Let y is equal to f of x be a curve and P A comma B be a point on it. Then we know that slope m of the tangent at P is m is equal to f dash a, or you can call dy by dx. After finding dy by dx, substitute the point AB. You will get the slope. Therefore, the equation of the tangent at P is y minus y1 is equal to m bracket x minus x1, or you can write y minus y1 is b. In place of m, we can also write f dash a into x minus a. This is the equation of tangent. Now I shall draw a curve. And I will draw a tangent to the curve at point P. This is the tangent I have drawn. Now I shall take the point P here, and this is the curve C. Now I will draw a normal at point P, a perpendicular. This is the perpendicular let drawn on P. We call it as a normal. And this is a tangent. Okay. Now I shall draw the x and y axis. This x axis I will take like this, horizontal line, and y axis as the vertical line I will take, and their point of intersection is O. Okay. Now P is a point on the curve we have taken. The straight line passing through P are perpendicular to the tangent is called the normal. Before taking equation of the normal, we have taken equation of tangent also, This is the equation of tangent we have taken. Now we shall take equation of the normal. You know that slope of tangent is, tangent we have written as, at point P we have taken as f dash a. Then slope of the normal will be minus 1 by f dash a. Therefore, equation of normal can be written as y minus y1 is b is equal to m. M means how much? Slope of the normal. X minus x1 is a. We are drawing the slope of the normal at point a comma b. Okay, this will give you the equation of normal, provided the denominator f dash a is not 0. If f dash a is 0, what happens? Dash a is 0, then slope, the equation of normal is normal will be x minus a is equal to 0, or you can write it as x is equal to a. Now, given that, what is the given curve? Y is equal to x cube plus 4x square. Now, differentiating this curve, with respect to x, what will you get? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube is 3x square. This d by dx of 4x is 8x. Now you have to find out at minus 1 comma 3 dy by dx at point minus 1 comma 3. Wherever x is there, put minus 1. If y is there, put 3. Here only x is there, therefore shall substitute minus 1. 8 into minus 1. How much it is? 3 into 1 plus 8 into minus 1 is minus 8. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. This you can take it as slope m. Slope m of the tangent we have known. The equation of tangent. At x1 comma y1 means it is given how much? Minus 1 comma 3. Slope is given minus 5. The equation tangent y minus y1 is equal to m bracket x minus x1. Substitute in this. Substitute the values here. You will get the answer. Y minus y1 means y minus 3 is equal to minus 5 bracket x minus minus 1 is x plus 1. Y minus 3 is equal to minus 5x minus 5. Bring all the terms to left hand side. It becomes 5x plus y minus 3 plus 5 means plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent we got. Finding the equation of the normal at the same point minus 1 comma 3 we are finding. But before we find equation of normal, we shall write the slope of normal. Slope of tangent is, we have found minus 5. Then slope of the normal will be reciprocal of it with minus sign, minus 1 by m. If it is m, then slope of the normal will be minus 1 by m. Means minus 1 by minus 5 is equal to 1 by 5 you can take. Take slope m as 1 by 5, x1 by 1 as minus 1, 3. Find the equation of normal now. Y minus y1. y1 is 3. M bracket x minus x1, x minus 1 means x plus 1. Multiply both sides by 5. 5i minus 5 is 15 is equal to x plus 1. Bring all the terms to one side. X minus 5i plus 16 is equal to 0 is the equation of the normal. This way we got all the required answers.